Upo ka na. Very good ah. Hello. Daddy, nakaupo na si baby. Oh, ala, binabangon niya yung likod niya. Sige baby, alalayan ka ni mami. Sige baby. Opo. Sige, bangon mo ulit ka na baby. Yan, come. Wow, very good ah. Oops. Hindi ka kaya. Oops. Ang galing ah. Oops. Ah. 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 Ano? Oops. Very good baby ko. Ah, pagod na. Pagod ikaw? Napagod ang baby? Try again? Try again? Try to sit again, baby? Ay, subo again. Subo na naman ng paa.